Hey YouTube! Welcome back to our channel. So we're having R&R. Look, we have a squirrel that's a thief and it can steal metal parts.
And all of that.
Drill bits, nails, spring stops, all kinds of metal pieces. How can a squirrel pack a 6-inch nail around? But anyway, we got super tough squirrels up in the
Mountains.
There you go. Gotta keep it secret. Woo! Our awesome squirrel is so tough. He's like a Arnold. We're here to pump you up. Anyway, he's pumping himself up with packing Hilti bits. Like this is a 12-inch Hilti bit, 3/8 in diameter. Probably weighs like more than the squirrel. He's packing it to his honey because he's super tough. You can't touch that.
These are all the sawmill parts. We don't want the squirrel packing away important pieces.
Squirrels don't know how to cut 2x4s. So this is a little bit off the cabin build. We got the sheet metal on, so everything's buttoned up. So we're gonna do a couple important chores, which includes putting wood chips around the base of the fruit trees, help them survive the winter freezing weather. And if you look back in our history on our channel, you'll see we give you an expose on a Princess Auto 15 horsepower chipper. So here, let's go have a look. The missus and her helper, they're chipping up a barrel of chips as we speak. So here, let's go have a look.
Boy, is that loud.
Doesn't even care I'm standing here.